How to install shaders in Minecraft after the new update. Hey guys, in this video, we're going to show you how to install shaders in Minecraft after the new update. Shaders make Minecraft look more realistic by adding better lighting, shadows, and colors. They completely change the way the game feels and make it more fun to play. To use them, you need to install a few files first. First, open Google Chrome and search for Optifine. Then click on the first link that appears. Now click on Downloads. Here you will see different versions of Optifine. Next, click on Mirror, and after that, click on Download. Now open a new tab and search for the Wimscape Resource Pack. Here, click on the link and then press Download. Next, in the search bar of the Wimscape page, type BSL Shaders. Now click on it, and here press Download. After that, you will see the shader file start downloading. Then open a new tab and search for Java 21 Download. Here, select the Windows x64 installer, and click on the download link next to it. Now go to your Downloads folder, find the Optifine file, right-click on it, then go to Open With, and click on Java Platform SE Binary. This will install Optifine. Next, open Minecraft. Here, click on Options. Then click on Resource Packs. Now, click on Open Pack folder. After that, go to your Downloads, find the Wimscape folder, and drag it into the Minecraft Resource Pack folder. Here, click on Yes, then press Done. Now click on Video Settings. Then click on Shaders. Here, click on the Shaders folder, and drag the BSL Shaders file into it. After that, click on Done, and then click on Done again to go back. Finally, play Minecraft and enjoy your new shaders. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.